What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, hello, my name is Janine, and I put up videos just kind of about my life. I'm in the Navy, and I like makeup, fashion, food, exercise, all of that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in what I eat in a day in the Navy, in sea school, then just keep watching. So on the topic of being in Navy sea school, I just graduated, which don't worry, I know that I've only put up like 2 videos about being in sea school, and I'm sure people are gonna end up finding these videos and ask a lot of questions. I know when I was going into boot camp, I kept researching sea schools, did not find a single YouTube video about it, so I knew that I wanted to make videos while I'm here. But I have graduated my first school. I still have 2 more to go. I'm gonna be in school until May, so still plenty of time for more content. This is my last school in California, and none of you asked. So we're gonna get into what I eat in a day. This is kind of a basic idea of what I eat in a day. The galley is usually different. The breakfast is usually the same, really. But for like lunch and dinner, it's pretty different. Lunch is either chicken or fish and then vegetables. And then dinner tends to be different every day. But there's like a rough idea of kind of what I eat in a day. Now, disclaimer, I am not a nutritionist, I am not a personal trainer, I am not a dietitian, I'm not certified in telling you what you should eat. I'm just trying to give you an idea, so if 1, you're curious, 2, you're thinking of joining the Navy and you want to know what the food's like, or if you're just bored and you found this video and you just want to go watch it. So just putting that out there right now. You don't need to change what you're eating. And then I'm also going to be sharing with you my macros for it, because some people like keeping track of macros. Also, I recommend looking up like your BME if you're curious and you're trying to like lose weight or get healthy or anything like that. It's good to know that number. Anyway, so for breakfast, I'm looking at my MyFitnessPal because I put it all in so I could get the calories for you guys. But this is my breakfast. And so I had oatmeal. I used to hate oatmeal, but I absolutely love it now. And so every morning that they have oatmeal, I get super excited. I always get it with 1 scoop of brown sugar, and I usually do 1 scoop of raisins, but I didn't this time because I was trying to get through the line really fast. But the oatmeal was 100 calories with 51 calories for the brown sugar scoop. And then it's that pancake is a whole wheat pancake, and what I like to do is I'll take the peanut butter and the jelly that you guys saw in the little containers. I'll take that and I'll put peanut butter on 1/2 and jelly on the other half and fold it in half and eat it. Ugh, it is so good. So good. I get really excited about breakfast food. Breakfast food is my all-time fave food. I love breakfast food. If you ever want to hang out with me, ask me to go get breakfast with you, done. Even if I don't like you, we can go get breakfast. I love breakfast. So I had the peanut butter and jelly on the pancake, and then I had some strawberries because I absolutely love strawberries. And so that meal was 376 calories. And then on to lunch, which actually lunch, I was an idiot and I was trying to get through the line. The line was super long. And then by the time I sat down, I was so hungry because I had to wait in line for like 35 minutes that I completely forgot to film it. But if you go through like a Chinese buffet line, if you get rice, teriyaki chicken, that's all I had. I had rice and teriyaki chicken. I usually get, like I said, like for lunch they usually have grilled chicken or they have fish, which is usually what I get because I don't like eating like super unhealthy. I usually get like asparagus chicken, fish, green beans. Sometimes you'll get mashed potatoes. Like, that's what I usually get for lunch, but that line was closed that day, and they only had the other line that has, like, burgers, Chinese food, like, more unhealthy stuff. So, I got the teriyaki chicken and the white rice, and I had some grapes. And, oh, for the teriyaki chicken, I had 3 ounces and then 1 cup of white rice. And so that meal was 465 calories. No, thank you. Can I just have the chicken black bean bowl, please?
Okay, just a black bean bowl by itself?
Yep, that's it.
Okay, so we can do it. Thank you.
Thank you.
you go.
Thank you. Thank you too.
And then for dinner, my new fave. If you live in California, you're so blessed to have El Pollo Loco. I had the chicken and black bean bowl, and it's my new fave. And so I ordered that. I didn't end up eating all of it because I wasn't super hungry. The original, like if you eat the whole thing, it's 460 calories. And so the amount that I had was 230. But then after I worked out, I had my protein, which the day that I filmed that part of it, like the actual food part, I only had 1 scoop in water. No, don't do that. Don't do that to yourself. This is like coconut oil powder, gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO. It tastes terrible with just water. Please don't do that to yourself. So what I do now is I have 2 scoops of this instead of just 1. Here's more protein. And then I put 2 scoops in a glass of, well, into my little blender bottle of 8 ounces of almond milk. And I get the vanilla one. I'll show that to you in my grocery haul that I'll input here in a second. But now I mixed that and it tastes so much better now. And then as snacks for that day, I had a peanut butter dark chocolate Nature Valley protein bar. I actually just ate the last one today, so I just have the wrapper to show you guys, sorry. But it's the Nature Valley protein peanut butter dark chocolate. I love these things. I actually don't like them as much now as I used to. If you're like trying to eat healthier, but you're a chocolate fiend like I am / was, get these because it's got a lot of protein, it'll getting other nutrients for you, and you get to feel like you're cheating on your diet because it's chocolate. But like one day I ate like 4 of them and I'm like, okay, I should have just eaten a chocolate bar at that point, but it happens. And then all throughout the day, I had my BCAAs, which I actually just threw mine away because I ran out and I have to go buy a new one. I was gonna do that today. But I drank my BCAAs and that's 0 calories. And this, that was so anticlimactic. So right here, I'll put it right here. So this is my little nutrition pie chart. In MyFitnessPal, you can like set a goal for yourself of how much of each thing you would like to try to eat, your carbs, fats, and protein. And I did pretty good. I got 56% of my food was carbs, and my goal is 50. And then fats was 23%, my goal is 30. And then protein, my goal is 21%. No, protein, my intake was 21%, my goal is 20. So I did a pretty good job with that. I'm very proud of myself. And so that is basically what I eat in a day. So I hope that was helpful or entertaining, or you got something out of that. That is what I normally eat in a day, being in the Navy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and comment down below, letting me know. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I upload a new video every Monday. Oh, and if you guys see this eye look and you like this makeup look, then make sure to stay tuned and subscribe, put on notifications to know when I upload this look. And I will see you next Monday. Bye!